In this video, I will show you how to keep your trees straight when using chaos scatter. So the problem is if you have an inclined surface like this and you are using chaos scatter to scatter some trees, then they will follow the normal direction of the surface. So let me show you. So for example, if suppose this box is a tree and you are using chaos scatter to distribute this tree on the surface, stance model, then what you want is you want your trees to be straight, not follow the inclined surface direction. So how can we fix this? So simply just for demonstration purpose, I will reduce the count to maybe 5 so we can see what is actually happening. So this is not what you would expect. You would expect the trees to be upward axis, not follow the inclined surface axis. Okay, so to fix this you simply have to go to transformation and then find the option which says normals versus z-axis and just move it all the way to one value. Now this is correct. I hope this helps.